Hi, I'm Russ Crowley and welcome to One Click Book Creation. In this series of videos, I'm just going to quickly show you how to set One Click Book Creation up, and then I'm going to show you how to create different kinds of books with it. Now the setup and installation is really easy, and in the new improved version, all you need to do, once you download the application, right click on the app and then select Run as Administrator. And the dialog will open. You need to read the license agreement and then accept it in the normal manner. And then just to check that you run it as an administrator, okay? Then we go through the installation process, and straight away, there we go. Installation should have been easy. If there was any problems, then you can raise a support ticket, let me know of any issues, and then I can address them. And then you come to the end, and then we can launch the application itself. So I'll click on Finish, and Microsoft Word will fire up, and then we'll be into Word and we can see the OneCBC Pro Create Book form.